G'day, it's Clayton from Planet Canada with another Cabinet Vision tutorial. And today we've got a very simple, straightforward tutorial for you, and that is how can we recover a backup file in Cabinet Vision. So if you aren't sure what a backup file is, or maybe you haven't even seen them before, essentially we can set up Cabinet Vision so that every time we have our standard job file, that's our .cvj file. This is our Cabinet Vision job that we're working in every day. Every time I open that in Cabinet Vision can automatically create a backup file. The advantage to this is that should anything happen to my .cvj file, maybe it's corrupted, maybe it's accidentally deleted, whatever it is, I might still have a semi-recent copy of my project to work in. So I might be able to salvage a lot of my project and not have to restart it again completely from scratch. If you don't see the .bak file every time you go to open up a new job and you would like it, it's very simple to set up. We just go into Cabinet Vision, we click on File, Preferences, and then under General, we just make sure that this box is ticked. Create a backup copy when opening up a job. So that's very simple. But you'll notice that here, I can't really open up my backup files at the moment like so. To do this, it's very simple. Let's just say we accidentally lose our job, it's deleted, maybe it's corrupted and it just won't open even if we would like it to. We can go into Cabinet Vision, we can click on File, Job Recovery, then click on the job itself, Open, and then it'll ask us if we want to follow through, yes, and there you go. Cabinet Vision has successfully recovered this job from the backup file. So it's a very simple process to do, but if you don't know that that tool is there, you may not be sure. So hopefully this tutorial has helped you out a lot. If you have any more questions or comments, please add them down below and we're always happy to help out. We'll see you in the next video.